Ever wonder how a jet engine works? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Step 1. Air intake. The engine sucks in tons of air at the front. This air is crucial for the next steps. Step 2. Compression. Spinning blades squeeze the air tight, increasing its pressure and temperature. Step 3. Combustion fuel is sprayed in, mixed with the compressed air, and ignited. Boom! This creates a high-energy explosion. Step 4. Turbine. The hot gases spin more blades, which in turn power the engine's compressor and other systems. Finally, thrust. The gases shoot out the back, pushing the plane forward. It's air in, fireball out, controlled explosions that keep planes flying. Now you know how a jet engine works. Hit like and subscribe for more flying facts. Thanks for watching.